Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by charging the Barracuda X and preparing the USB-C wireless dongle. Plug the dongle into a rear USB 2, 0 or 3, 0 port so the PC has a stable connection and less interference. Turn the headset on. The LED will blink while searching and then glow steady when paired. Once the light is steady, make sure Windows recognizes a new audio device. You do this to avoid pairing with other nearby transmitters and to ensure low-latency audio for games and voice chat. Once paired, open Windows Sound Settings and set the Barracuda X as both default playback and default recording device so audio and mic route correctly. If you don't see it, open Device Manager and look under Audio Inputs and Outputs or Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Update or reinstall drivers if the dongle shows errors. Make sure to disable audio enhancements and set levels for mic and speakers to avoid distortion. Doing this prevents echo, keeps chat volumes consistent, and ensures game. You finish by testing the headset in a game and a voice app to confirm both game audio and mic input work. If you hear dropouts or no sound, repair the headset by holding power until the LED flashes, then reinsert the dongle. That forces a fresh connection. If problems persist, move the dongle to another USB port or use a short extension to clear RF interference from the GPU or case. These steps resolve most issues quickly and restore stable low-latency audio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.